Join the session, everyone, fast, please. First question, note down. उसका साउंड बंद करने से बहुत ज़्यादा साउंड कर रहा है. गुड मॉर्निंग दिव्या. वणक्कम. किशोर, गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. So circle all formulas. Payaja, good morning beta. Circle all formulas we have done. Now quickly we'll start solving questions. See, last class distance related question we have done. So some important sections we have discussed. Now what we are going to do is, Sujata, good morning beta. So what we are going to do is, today we will be solving some typical questions of a circle. First question, note down. First question, note down. Everyone, come on, quickly inform. Siddharth, good morning. So today, circle some very typical questions we are going to discuss. Get ready for it, beta. First question of the circle is, if the equation of the two diameters of circle, listen very carefully. If the Nishika, switch off fan. If the equation of the two diameters, if the equation of the two diameters of the circle, if the equation of the two diameters of the circle are, so two equations exactly given to you. What are the equations? X minus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus y is equal to 4 and 2x plus y is equal to 4 and the radius of the circle is, and the radius of the circle is 5 units. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle. So when these type questions are given, how you are going to handle the question, first you understand. See, one very important thing is ki what they Nishika, look here. This question means you need to have a proper understanding. See, look here. So two equations of circle they have given diameter. So when you are drawing a circle, in this part, what they are asking to you is ki now one diameter you are going to draw like this. Another diameter anywhere you can draw like this. So these are the two diameters of the circle. So now these two diameters of the circle, they have given you the equation of the line. What is the equation of the line? One diameter we can take like that because it is passing through the center of the circle. So one diameter x minus y is equal to 5 we can take. Another diameter we can take 2x plus y equal to 4. 2x plus y equal to 4 and this is the center of the circle. Now they have given the length like this we can take as 5 units. Okay, so what we are going to use the diameter for? Please remember this part. Now you are going to use the diameter for a very specific purpose and that what you are going to take the diameter for finding the value of x and y. What is the strategy? The diameter is going to use to get the value of x and y. So what you are going to do here? Equation 1. So solution, in solution, what you are going to do? To get the center, we need these diameters. In solution, so two diameters given, equation of lines, x minus 5 is equal to y and here 2x plus y is equal to 4. Equation 1 and equation 2. So here if you will solve it, what you are going to get? So this you cancel, 3x is equal to 9, so x is equal to 3. Substituting x is equal to 3. Substituting, Nishika, start solving x equal to 3 in equation 1. So when you are substituting x equal to 3, it is 3 minus y is equal to 5. So 3 minus 5 is equal to y. So y is equal to minus 2. So you got the center point because the intersecting point of two lines. One solution is there now. So in good morning Siddharth. So here the intersection point will give you the value of x and y. So here this center point is going to be what value? The center point value given to you is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. Check the values. So once you got x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2, means you got this value x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2, means work over. Now what we are going to do, our 100% work is there now only for finding the equation of circle. Because what are the two things for the equation of circle that is needed? Center. So now our center value is 3 comma minus 2 that we got, and radius given is 5. Now we will take an arbitrary point pxy. Now once we got the arbitrary point pxy and we got this one, means now we are ready for writing the equation of the circle. What we are going to write? Formula is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square, where h and k are the centers, the coordinate of the centers. So here we are going to write this one, x minus 3 whole square plus y minus of minus 2 whole square equal to 5 square. So it is coming as x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 plus 4y, because minus into minus will become 4. So here 4y, 2 2s are 4, 16, no, 2 2s are 4 will come now. And here it is coming 4y is equal to 25. So here x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y, and then here it is coming as 25 minus 13. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 4y 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So this will become the equation of the circle. This will become what? Equation of the circle. I hope you might have understood. This part will become what? Equation of the circle. Is it done? This section is coming as the equation of the circle. Everyone understood? Siddharth understood? Payaja understood? Come on, say, so that we can go for the next part of the question. Very good, beta. We'll go for the next question. Yes. So we'll go directly for the next question, beta. The next question is, Nishika finished? Equation of the circle, ye. Nikalo jaldi. So next question is, find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle whose diameters are, find the equation of the circle whose diameters are, equation of the circle whose diameters are, whose diameters are, equation of the circle whose diameters are, what are the diameters given to you? 2x minus 3y equal to 12. Same pattern question, please solve. 2x minus 3y 2x minus 3y plus 12, this is one part, and x plus 4y, x plus 4y minus 5 or equal to 5. These are the two equations. Check this one out. X plus 4y is equal to 5. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 12. Understood? And another important point written there is, and area is, an area of circle is, an area of circle is, and the area of the circle, yes, 100%. I'll give you extra questions, Siddharth. Circle, some important questions are also there which I need to, straight line, some important questions are there which I need to discuss with all of you. It is very important for 12th also, so I need to discuss. So next class, you remind me, I'll set all the questions and give you. So find the equation, and the area of the circle is 154 square units. So see the chapters names. Yes, miscellaneous questions all I'm going to solve. See the chapters name. Which and all chapters are coming for your test? Chapters name in form. I'll set everything. Now look here, Nishika. What and all are the equations of the circle? So what is given? First part, center part is there. It is 2x minus 3y equal to minus 12. This is first line, first circle equation. Second equation is x plus 4y is equal to 5. So these are the two equations given to you. Yes, we are going to send the materials from permutations to permutation, combination, binomial, if I am correct, permutation, combination, binomial, sequence, and straight line. Is it 5 chapters? Inform clearly 5 chapters or 4 chapters. So these are the two equations and circle given. So here what you need to do. Yes, okay, fine. I'm ready now. So now look here. First equation part is, this is first equation of circle, equation of diameter given as, this is diameter equation. This is diameter. Second part is x plus 4y equal to 5. This will become second part. Okay. Now here what we are going to do is, either you multiply this one with 4 and this one with 3 and then add. Okay. So when we are doing this, what work we are exactly doing? 4 chapters. Okay. So here we are multiplying equation 1 by 4, multiplying equation 1 by 4, equation 2 by 3, and then we are adding. So how much it is coming? 8x plus, sorry, 8x minus 12y equal to minus 48. Next is 3x plus 12y equal to 15. Got it? So this will get cancelled. 8, 9, 10, 11, x is equal to 8 minus 5 will become 3, and here 4 minus 1, 33, minus 33. So here, till here is it okay? Because now we got the diameter values we are going to get. So here what we are going to do is, x is coming as minus 3. Now substituting x is equal to minus 3, substituting x is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. In equation 1. So when you are substituting x equal to minus 3 in one of the equation, what you are getting? So 2 into minus 3, okay, minus 3y minus 12. So here it is coming minus 6 minus 3y minus 6 plus 12 is equal to 3y. We shifted this one this side, that one that side. So 6 equal to 3y, y is equal to 2. You got the center value, but center getting is not the only thing. You need to find, most important thing is radius. So for radius they have given equation, area of circle is pi r square. Formula, what is the area of circle? The formula for area of circle is pi r square. So what you are going to find, 154 is equal to 22 by 7 into r square. So 154 into 7 by 22 is equal to r square. So here 11 1 and 4, 11 2s are 7. So r square is equal to 7 into 7. So radius is coming as 7. That's it. Here itself is the end, because now radius is coming as 7. Okay, radius is coming as 7 and area is coming as, area, from area we got the radius and center, Nishika. So here what is the equation we are going to use? X minus h whole square, that is x minus center value x minus of minus 3, because now your equation of circle you can write here, center is coming as minus 3 comma 2, radius is 7. So x minus of minus 3 whole square, y minus 2 whole square equal to 7 square. So x plus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 49. From today itself, tell me the date of the examination I'm starting. Plus 3 plus 6x plus y square plus 4 minus 2 to the 4y is equal to 49. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y. 49 means how much beta? 9, 13 plus 13 minus 49 equal to 0. So x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 3, 6, and here 36 equal to 0. This will become the equation of the circle. November 17. Before that, we have to start our work. Fine. From today itself, we will start. Nishika, understood? I hope this question is okay for everyone. So this is exactly one pattern question. Now I'm taking you towards some competitive and good level questions. You need to prepare it very nicely for circle. See, in this twists are there. There only one single work you have to do. Wait, I'm going to show you one question. You need to understand this question very nicely. Okay. Now, these were the very basic questions where two diameters are exactly intersecting, when two circle is exactly, when two lines are intersecting on the circumference of the circle, they will give you contact point. So like that, it was easy. Now we will go towards another level questions for circle. Done? Okay, fine. We'll be starting the next question. Get ready for it. So the next question for the circle, what they have given is, now we'll solve next question. What is given? Find the equation of a circle of radius 5 centimeter. Try this, Nishi. Find the equation of circle of radius 5 centimeter. Find the equation of circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, whose center lie on x-axis. Whose center lies on x-axis. So its center is exactly lying where? Its center is lying on x-axis, whose center lies on x-axis and passes through the point 2 comma minus 3. And passes through the point 2 comma minus 3. Now here you analyze the question very nicely and then you solve the question, because here the center is lying on x-axis, but it does not told that the circumference is touching the origin. They did not told this part. So be very careful and try to solve the question. Be very careful and then try to solve the question, because this question is very, very important for you. Center is lying on x-axis. Center is lying on x-axis. Radius is also given. Radius is 5 units given, 5 centimeter given. First you find the center point. So how we are going to solve the question? Come on, check this one out. Now see this one very nicely. How we are going to attempt this question. Actually, we don't know how many centers are there. How can we know that how many centers are there? We actually don't know how many centers are there. Find the equation of a circle of radius 5 centimeter and whose center lie on x-axis. So we will draw one circle. Its center is lying on x-axis. Where it is center lying on x-axis. So if the center is like, because meaningly see, knowingly don't do this mistake. Many students are doing this mistake, means they are thinking that if center is lying on x-axis, then the circle is touching the origin. It is possible, it is not possible. But one thing is possible, that here the center whatever value will be there, it can be a comma 0. The value of y on x-axis will be 100% 0. This is guaranteed. A can be any value. Circle can touch the origin, not touch the origin, we are not going to bother about. Another important point given here is, we will take this as A. Another important given point given here is, this part will become 5. Don't take OA is equal to 5. That is OA, this part that it is touching origin and this is equal to 5. So A will become 5. Not possible. Don't take like that. We will think about different content. And here this B point is there. Why we did like that? Because this is very important to understand. Why we did like that, beta? Need to understand this one. We don't know the circle is touching the origin or not. Because of that only the entire setup we have generated. Okay, the entire setup generated because we don't know the circumference is touching the origin or not. Then if the circle will touch the origin means A will become 5. Then there is nothing to find. So here we will use the distance formula. What is the distance formula? AB is equal to a minus 2 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square. So here AB 5. Distance is given as 5 na. So 5 is equal to, it is coming as, we'll square both sides. Then root a square plus 4 minus 4a plus 9 whole square. So it is coming as 25 equal to a square minus 4a plus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Done. So now what equation we are going to get? Quadratic equation we are getting a square minus 4a, and then this is plus 13 minus 25 equal to 0. So a square minus 4a, 5 minus 3 will become 2. So here it is coming as how much? 5 minus 3 is 2 and 2 minus 1, how it is? 12 is coming equal to 0. Okay, so now we need to find quadratic equation. A square minus 12 means, we can write it as 12 means 6 and 2 will be there. So minus 6a plus 2a minus 12 equal to 0. So a take common, a minus 6 plus 2, a minus 6 equal to 0. So that means a plus 2 and a minus 6 equal to 0. So a is coming as minus 2 and 6. So that means one value here is exactly coming as 6 comma 0. This is one circle. Another circle center is here. That is B, that is C or anything we can take here, and we can write here another center of the circle, whatever value C we will be writing, and this part will become minus 2 comma 0. But since the equation of the circle is there, so center value, this part will become 5. And another important point to be noted, that this point 2 comma 3 will be the point for both the circles, because they told this point is there on the circle. So we need to draw this in such a way, so that this 2 comma 3 point will become common for both. So this drawing is the most important thing. So once you are drawing means you should be very careful. Like this part also we can draw the circle, but the contact point P part can be 2 comma 3. This distance whatever you are finding from the center, it should be coming as 5. The center here, circle center is coming as minus 2 comma 0. So this is the way we are going to proceed. I hope you might have understood this one. Come on, say. Till here, is it okay? This much is there, beta. So that means now we have two centers. We have 1, 5. So two equations are possible here. One equation will not be possible. Two equations. So when center will be minus 2 comma 0 and radius is equal to 5, that will become x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to 5 square. So x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square equal to 25. Here done, x square plus y square plus 4x, this one will shift this one, so minus 21 equal to 0. This will become one equation of a circle. Okay, now second part we are going to do. When the second section we are writing, when center value will be coming as, look here everyone, center value is coming as 6 comma 0 and radius is coming as 5. So radius will be same. So radius will come as 5. So x minus 6 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square equal to 25. So x square plus 36 minus 12x plus y square minus 25 equal to 0. So x square minus 12x plus y square. So 6 minus 5 is 1, 11 equal to 0. So these are the two equations of circle. These are the two equations of circle we got. I hope everybody understood this one. Did everybody got this? Any problem is there in the what you call live stream? Everyone you are getting or not? Yes. Okay. We'll solve the next question, please. Fine. Nishika done? Huh? So this is a very good question. Now we will go for another pattern questions of circle. In another pattern questions of circle, you see what we have to do. Another pattern question of circle is, I hope everyone finished this one. Okay, come on, say quickly good morning to me. Siddharth, Payoja, Sujata, Kishore. Good morning, everyone. Nishika, good morning. See, where are they? Now listen, we'll solve next question. Find the center and radius. When they will give you this type equation, they will be asking center of the circle also. So the question is x square plus y square, x square plus y square plus 6x minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0. And they will ask you the center and radius of the circle. The center and radius of the circle. So now let's start solving this question. When they will ask you the center and radius of the circle. When they'll ask you the center and radius of the circle. Come on, go for it. Start solving the question. When they will ask you the center and radius of circle. Come on, try this question. When they'll ask you the center and radius of circle. Shall we start solving the question? Look here, how to solve this question when they will ask you, Siddharth, Sujata, Payoja, quickly respond. Now look here. X square minus 4y, x square, we will keep this together, x square plus 6x one side, plus y square minus 4y plus 4 equal to 0 is there. Now make it a perfect square. X square plus 6y is there. So once you are writing here, x square plus 2 into 3 into x. That means it is coming in the format of a square plus 2 into a into b. That means b section is what? B section is 3. So what we are going to write here? It is a square x square plus 2 into 3 into x plus 3 square minus 3 square. This is one work done. And then next part is plus y square minus 2 into 2y. That means here again y square minus 2ab. That means plus 4 and minus 4 you implement. And here plus 4 is already there. Just to make this a perfect square. So when you are making it a perfect square, how you are exactly going to solve it? You will be writing this one together. It is coming x plus 3 whole square. Now here this is coming as 1 together. This will come y minus 2 whole square. Check this one very nicely. A plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. For making it b square, we added b square and we removed b square. Payoja, very late responding. Check the live button is on or not. Siddharth, Payoja, new people are not responding now. I need that response. Now here minus 9 minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0. So this and this will get cancelled. So now what is the equation of the circle? X minus minus 3 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to 3 square. So therefore what is the center? The center point is coming as minus 3 comma 2 and radius is 3. Understood everyone? Come on, check. Did you got this point? Understood everyone? Check this one out better. Yes, everybody understood? Come on, check this one out. Okay. Biology understanding? Everybody understanding? First you say. Yes, good. We'll go with next question. Divya, Siddharth. Now look here. So this is exactly radius and center. Come on, find the radius and center, everyone. Start solving the question. Your next question is, ready everyone? Question is, simple question I am giving you. First I have given you this question. Now I am giving you another question. Question is, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y equal to 12. Good. Exams over? A school test was going on, na? Monthly test. Okay. Because today more work is there. Okay. Come on, go for it. Start solving the question. You need to find the center and radius. Come on, quickly solve. Let's see who will solve first. Center and radius. Try first. Vaja, from today I'm going to start sending the important materials for your test. Get ready for it. Solve fast. What is the center of the circle? Find and say me. The center of the circle. Come on, try and tell the center of the circle. It's very easy. I told you completing square method you need to use and you can get the answer. Completing square method you can use and you can get the answer. Come on, go for it. Live is lagging. Understanding. Hey, answer कर गधी. चलो निशिका आंसर बताओ. Hmm? 2 comma radius. Now look here. X square minus 4x plus y square plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. Minus 1 radius cannot be possible. How can radius be minus 1? So here it will become x square minus 4x plus 4 minus 4. X plus 4 minus 4. So b square minus b square. So plus 4 minus 4. Here y square plus 2 into 3y. So plus 9 minus 9 equal to 12. So here this one total together will be coming as x minus 2 whole square plus this one total together will be coming as x plus 3 whole square. Now minus 9 and minus 4 and minus 9 will become minus 13 equal to 12. So here x minus minus 2 whole square plus y minus minus 3 whole square equal to 25. So here center value is coming as 2 comma minus 3. Radius is coming as 5. Very good, Sujata. 2 comma minus 3 and radius is coming as 5. So this is exactly the perfect answer. Good. Radius is coming as 5 and center is coming as 2 comma minus 3. Have everybody got the answer? Everybody got the answer or not? Now I'll solve one question where circle will be touching axis because 6 type of different type of formats I have given you. Circle maximum they will be giving you these type questions. Hot questions of circles are there. Hot question of circle is there, and that part we are going to solve the questions. So let's check this one out. Get ready for the next question. Fine, let's solve this question. I called out the name of Siddharth, Divya, all people. Wait. Right now for CBSE and miscellaneous questions of CBSE and some of the extra questions we are doing. Some of the extra questions we are doing. Come on. Next question we are going to do. The next question is, come on, start the question. Find the equation of a circle. So you need to find the equation of a circle which is going to touch, which touches, first part check. Find the equation of the circle which touches the x-axis. The x-axis and center given is, what is the center given to it is 3, 4. Okay, so I have given you the equations. Good morning, Smriti. So I have given you the equation in that part. Okay, no problem, Siddharth. So whenever doubts will be there, you can ask. Not at all a problem. You can ask me directly also, beta. Not at all a reason. I called out your name. So now look here. Okay, no problem. Now look here. So here, find the equation of a circle which touches the x-axis. Find the equation of a circle which touches the x-axis. Now we don't know, and the center is 3, 4. So 100% touches x-axis. If any negative value might have been there, then we could have thought of sending it any one of the 4 quadrant. But since the center point is here, so 100% we are going to keep the circle here. Okay, the center point is exactly coming as 3, 4, and now it is touching the x-axis. So once it is touching the x-axis, now check this one out, this distance. So this distance will become 3 because any point in the coordinate means this distance will become 3, and this part, if you will check, this part will come as 4. Okay, so now we know that if it is touching at A, this distance will become 3, 0. The point where it is touching A, it is coming as 3, 0. But this point, it is exactly coming as what? This point will become what? It is coming 0, 4. So 100% here, this OA. OA is the radii of the circle. It is radii of the circle or radius of the circle, what you can say. Radius of the circle. So radius of the circle, and it is exactly coming as how much? 4 units. Because you see, from the center to the circumference, the distance is exactly same. So this is y value, and y value is exactly giving the radius. So what is the equation of the circle? X minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square. That's it. X minus 3 whole square. Yes, some internet issue is there. I am also facing. So x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 4 square. So now it will become x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 16 minus 8y equal to 16. So 16 and 16 will get cancelled. It will become x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y. 9 is there, plus 9 equal to 0. This will become the equation of the circle. So easily we can solve this question. This will become the equation of the circle. Means whenever you will be exactly solving the questions, you can solve the question to this format. So where nothing is there, when x-axis, that's yesterday itself class I told, when x-axis is touching, you need to see the y value. When y-axis it is touching, you need to see the x value. That's the most important thing. X-axis touching, check y value. Y-axis touching, check x value. This is what we can do. Fine. Shall we go for the next question? When it is exactly going to touch, see, there are certain conditions where they will be wishing you to solve the questions. Second part of the question, what they are telling, find the equation of the circle which is touching the line. See, all the content they will itself give you. They will give you all the points. Just you need to write the equation. Shortcut equation you need to generate. Okay. So the question here is, just check some of the very critical questions of circle. Some extra questions of circle also we will do. Question is, find the equation of the circle. Find the equation of the circle. Okay, find the equation of the circle which touches the lines x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Note down, x equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So it is exactly going to touch x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and x equal to a. Come on, go for it. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. This is exactly the thing we need to do. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. Come on, go for it. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. X equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. This much is given to you. Now let's see how to solve this question. So touching points are x equal to 0, y equal to 0 and x equal to a. So that means the circle is touching, very difficult to draw but it touched, so no compromise. We can draw like this. It is touching x equal to 0. Where x equal to 0? X equal to 0 on y axis, y equal to 0 on x axis and x equal to a also it is touching. So this is x equal to a. Done. So this is exactly the touching section over. So we know that this distance, because it is touching all this corner, so we will draw like this. This is the center. So this is the most important part. Check this one out. X is equal to 0. We can write it as A and B. So when we are writing this part, OA is equal to OB. So AB is the diameter. AB is the diameter. So AB will be equal to A, because this total length x is equal to A is there now. So this total length will become x is equal to A. That means OA is equal to OB is equal to A by 2. This will become radii. Half of diameter is radii. So this is coming as radii. So now this part will become, this section will become what? A by 2. Done. This part will become, so radius you got. So what is the center point? So here center point will become what? This center point will become a by 2. From this length also it will become a by 2. Got it? Because from both the corners it is touching the x-axis. So since from both the corner it is touching the x-axis, we can check this one out. The center point will become a by 2, a by 2. This is the most important part, because if you take this one, then this length is also coming a by 2, and if you take this one, then this length is also coming a by 2. So both the section lengths are exactly coming as a by 2. This part is coming as a by 2, and this part is also coming as a by 2. So center value will be coming as a by 2, a by 2. Understood? So now what we are going to do, we got center also. One arbitrary point we need. Let's set arbitrary point be pxy. Enough for us to solve the question. So equation of the circle will become x minus a by 2 whole square plus y minus a by 2 whole square equal to radius is coming as a by 2 whole square. That's it. X square a by 2 y minus a square by 2. So this content is coming. This is exactly one thing which we can solve here. So x is equal to a is coming. So we can solve the question like this. So x minus a by 2, x plus a by 2 equal to a square. But here one big problem is there. If you will write this question, its answer is not fully correct. Answer is half only. Here answer one part is totally missing. If you will not see that section, means you will definitely be coming in problem, because they have never mentioned you that only one circle is there. So here the biggest problem is you have only used one circle. But here how many circle possibilities are there? So one equation of circle we got like this, because when we have taken the circle above x-axis, but nobody mentioned that that circle cannot be below x-axis, because they told that the circle is touching x-axis, the circle is touching y-axis when x is equal to 0. Here x part is coming as 0, here y part is coming as 0, okay, and x is equal to a. That means the possibility of circle you cannot deny for two circles. So what we need to do is, we cannot be only going for one circle. Here we have to go for two circles possibility. We cannot go for one circle. There will be two circles possible. I hope you might have understood. So here it is coming as two circle also. So this is the second circle. So if second circle you are drawing, then what could be the center? Again this distance will become a by 2. So center will become what? Here x will be a by 2, but y will become minus a by 2. Radius will remain a by 2. Radius will remain a by 2. That is not a problem. But here, since the possibility of circles cannot be only one, and there only they will write the equation as in JE and other examinations what they see. They see your presence of mind, what you are exactly going to do. So here this section, one equation of the circle came, another equation of the circle will come x minus a by 2, because x part is okay, and here it will become y plus a by 2, because minus is there, so minus into minus will become plus a by 2, and this is a by 2 whole square. So overall what equation of circle they will give? They will give four options. In that one option they will write like this, another option they will write like this, third option will be like x square a by 2, and then plus y plus minus a by 2 whole square is equal to a by 2 whole square. That's it. So there only when you will not be seeing that, here you will just only go for this one, because most of the people we are only going for this one. You are understanding? But what in all possibility is there? Is there possibility of only one circle or two circles? Two circles, because they have given one very important thing, that x equal to a by 2, x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. It is there in the group, please kindly check that one out. It is there in the group, in my channel it is there. We already started circle chapter and we are already teaching the circle part, so you can get the videos there. So now look here. So x is equal to a by 2 and y is equal to a by 2. So this will become the final equation of circle, where you need to get two values. So here two values of circle coming, one time plus minus a by 2 whole square. So this is exactly the game. Only one part, they'll definitely punish you by cutting marks. So this is exactly the most important thing. In exam also, if you will find this one, not find this one, if any standard format is there, means you will get minus for this one. Did you understood? So whatever question of circle now I am going to teach, all the content I am going to explain, because possibilities were two circle, not one circle. because the situation was like that: x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x equal to a. Got it? X is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x is equal to a. And based on this possibility, everything is there. So everything is there. So x equal to 0, y is equal to 0, and x equal to a. I hope everybody understood this one. Come on, say. Is it done? So now we are going to next class. Then I am going to start, and I am going to give you. So from today itself, we will start sending the materials. First, I am going to start with which chapter? तुम्हारा कौन सा chapter है निशिका? For you only straight line and conic sections. So from today I'm going to start, I'll inform Mansi to start sending first case study, MCQs and assertion reason. And shall we start first with permutation and combination, because that is biggest problem. Huh? Unka, they have permutation, combination, sequence and series, and binomial and straight lines. So 4 chapters are there. Huh? उनका PT2 होगा ना. I think November only they will have. So we'll start revising. Okay, beta. Bye for now. From today, extra part, get ready for revising extra things and get ready for solving questions. Okay? For you, conic section, parabola, I'll start. Yeah. Okay. Bye, everyone. Which one you are wanting?